Lesson 24 is about the metric system, and the first problem we have today is to convert 528 centimeters to meters. Now, knowing about the metric system is very important because lots of people around the world use the metric system as their system of measurement. So, if we want to go from centimeters to meters, well, centimeters, there's 100 centimeters, and centimeters abbreviation is cm. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So a meter stick has 100 centimeters in it. Now, we could also say that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. It's the same thing, just in reverse. Got the same measurements. So if we have 528 centimeters and we want to convert that to meters, well, we know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So 528 centimeters, if we wrote it on top here, 528 centimeters, well, if 100 centimeters is 1 meter, then 528 centimeters must be 5.28 meters. When we work with the metric system, it's nice because we work in powers of 10. For centimeters to meters, well, we have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Notice, meter has an abbreviation of a lowercase m. Let's look at our next problem. Here we have 486 kilograms to grams, and we have to convert. So kilo. Kilo is a big amount. That prefix kilo, it means 1,000. So if we have a kilogram or a kilogram, that means we have 1,000 grams. So 1 kilogram, kg, is equal to 1,000 grams. Or we can write it the other way around. We can say 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, kg. So if we have 486 kilograms, well, let's write that below. We've got 486 kilograms. Well, you can see 486 is 486 times bigger than 1. So the number that we're going to have has to be 486 times bigger than 1,000. Well, 486 times bigger than 1,000, that must be 486,000. And we'd have our answer. Because kilo always means 1,000. Now we use a unit like kilo to help make things seem a little bit smaller, but 486 kilograms is exactly the same as 486,000 grams. Let's look at our next example. This example is a table that you need to copy into your notes, and it gives us some different prefixes in the metric system. There's kilo, hecto, deca, and then there's the unit. Well, the unit, it could be grams, it could be meters. Those are some of the more common ones that we have in the metric system for mass and for distance. Then we have deci, centi, and milli. Now the powers of 10, we know kilo means 1,000. So the power of 10 for kilo would just be 1,000. Hecto means 100. Deca means 10. Grams and meters, that are a base unit. They just mean 1. Deci means 1/10. Centi means 100th. Remember from our first example, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And milli means 1,000. So you might know that there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And we can use this chart in order to help us solve more problems with the metric system. If you haven't copied this down yet, please pause so before we move on to our next slide. Our lesson practice is going to be on page 83. Make sure you've got your notes complete, and I'll see you during our next class.